Well, hello everyone, hello and welcome back to another foreigner video. Today you join me in Porto, which is the second largest city in the country up north, where the famous port wine comes from and where I work. I don't come to the office that often, maybe twice a week, but and I normally commute by train when I come to the office. Every now and then I ride my bike. It's quite the distance, so it's more cost effective to take the train than to ride the bike, which is quite unfortunate. Unlike my riding in England, where it was mostly to and from work. Since I've came to Portugal, I haven't done a lot of that, but I've been doing more long distance riding. Yes, I've been doing some of the most iconic routes in Portugal, roads, and so the N2 or the National 2, the N16. So that National 2 is the longest road in the country, going from the north of the country in Chaves to the south to the Algarve in Faro, 738 kilometers, and the N16, which is a road that goes from my hometown in Aveiro to the border with Spain, crosses the country from west to east or east to west, depending on your direction. So I've been doing quite a lot of long distance riding, but I don't ride very often, if that makes any sense. And with that, having said that, I started noticing that what I thought I was bike fit back in England, and I was indeed for the type of riding I was doing, which was maybe half an hour, 1 hour at the most. Whoops, let's go. But when you start riding longer distances and longer hours, it's not that easy. You know, you need to be fit to ride 2, 3, 4 hours, 5 hours, even more. And another thing I've noticed is that since COVID, I stopped doing exercise, obviously during the COVID times and lockdowns and things. But then I sort of neglected my fitness after that, once things went back to normal. But a few months ago I noticed that I was in dire need to get back in shape, and so started going to the gym. And this is what I wanted to talk to you about. It's especially at my age, I've just turned 56 this year, especially at my age, it's crucial. I've come to realize that it's crucial to stay lane discipline here in Portugal. It's but a mere suggestion. Same with speed limits. Oh, it's chaotic. Anyway, where was I? Okay, yeah. Being physically fit when you're middle-aged man or woman like myself, and what I've noticed is that it was not just not being physically fit and not being able to ride comfortably for long hours or many kilometers or miles. It's also mentally, it affects you. And once I've started doing or exercising regularly, which was maybe February this year, some 6 months ago, and I've noticed that everything about my life has improved. Not just my physical fitness, being able to ride longer hours, longer distances, but also my mental health improves. Everything gets better once you start doing exercise regularly. I'm not going crazy over it. I just do some cycling. I just on the gym, my local gym. I just 3 times a week I just jump on the peloton and ride for an hour with the teacher, various sorts of exercises and physical effort and things. And I also do bits of weight training. It's not exactly weight training, it's a thing called CrossFit, I think. And yeah, I just do a bit of weights for my upper body and abs and things. which is really good, and I've started to notice a huge difference. not just in my demeanor or in my physical shape, but also in my body, and things are getting better. And that is crucial. Going back to the main point of this vlog, that is crucial when you reach a certain age, like myself, and you want to feel better. You want to feel good about yourself, and you want to be able to do things that otherwise would be, I wouldn't say impossible, but would be much more difficult. So yes, now like I said, I've been doing longer rides, all those tours, and I've got a few things planned for next year. I'm not gonna go too much into it because I'm almost sure it's going to happen, but I'm not 100% sure yet. So I just don't want to jinx it. But all I can say is that it involves me riding the GT to another continent, which is all very exciting. But yeah, and another thing that's on my bucket list, and that I can do, I will do it almost for sure, is to do the Iron Butt Challenge. And there's two different challenges. One, I know you have to ride 1,000 miles in under 24 hours, and the other one is in 40 to 48 hours you need to ride, I don't know how many miles, something crazy. But at least the first one, the 1,000 mile challenge, I'm going to do that for sure. And a lot of this training that I've been doing is, especially the cycling bit, is especially for that, because cycling, it works not just your leg muscles, but also your core body and muscles, you know, and it's very, very good. And also for posturing, it's amazing. So yeah, that's it. That's what I've been doing. I've been filming all those trips that I've been making, longer rides. I've just not been in the right mental space to sit down and edit and make a story out of those videos. And but maybe that will change, and maybe I'll start looking at the footage and start creating something from them. We'll see. But anyway, I just wanted to share these thoughts with you guys, and would love to know what you think about this. If you want to just comment down below, share your thoughts and opinions, and I hope to see you soon on another video. Until then, thank you very much for watching. Ta-ra!